Welcome to today's edition of future trading. I'm using Binance Exchange. Binance Exchange as a typical example, so I decided to use BNB USDT PIS. I decided to pick that one. So I've promised to explain how to place another. This is my position that I open with BNB USDT. I just opened it now, so let me close this position and reopen it. I enter. This is my entry price. Your entry price will be shown. This is my entry price of $628.84. This is the mark price. The mark price is the present price, and this is the liquidation price. The liquidation price, as you can see here is the liquidation price. Okay, let me close this position and reopen another one as a typical example. Estimated profit and loss of $0.16. This is my previous position of GLT that I opened. It is in slightly loss. I'm just using all this as a typical example. So I'm having $6.3 here in my available balance as a typical example. As you can see here, this is $6.3. This is my available balance as a typical example. I just decided to use to open long, to go long. When you are going long in future trading, when you are longing, that means you are buying, and when you are shorting, that means you are selling. So I decided to pick my entry price as 630 and using 10 times leverage here. As I previously discussed it, you have the ability to leverage your money in future trading. You can adjust the leverage. You can use any leverage you have in here. But when you are using more than 20 times leverage, the system will be warning you that the risk is too high. So as your leverage as you use higher leverage, so as your liquidation price will be close. So let me just use 10 times leverage as a typical example. So confirm using 10 times leverage with isolated margin. We have isolated margin mode, and we have cross margin mode. With this cross margin mode, when you use cross margin mode and your liquidation price has been near, you have the ability to transfer money to your margin account so that your money will not be liquidated. So the system will be using the available balance in your account. But when you decided to use isolated mode, with that one with cross mode, when you decide to use isolated mode, that means it is isolated margin you choose, as the name implies. That means the system won't touch your available balance. You don't have when your money is when your money is approaching liquidation stage, you don't have the ability to transfer money to your future trading. You don't have the ability to transfer money so as your money not to be got liquidated. So let me go long using when I'm going long, I'm using 10 times leverage, and you are going long. I'm having $6.3 here as a typical example. Using 10 times leverage, that means my initial this $6.3 will be used. That means this my $6.3 will be used as collateral, whereas I have the ability to borrow up to 10 times of this 6.3, which is $63. So I can be able to buy long. Let me just choose a buy order from the buyer here. As you can see here, I just pick a buy price at $631. Go long, buy, go long. I decided to go long, buy. You just click on buy. You just click on buy here. As you can see, this is my price that I want to enter. So the system will place the order for me. So the system has placed the order for me. So the position has been opened. It is because this is my entry price. If that $6.31, if let's say the current price is $6.632, it is the same thing as spot trading. So my open order, it will be in the open order at $631 that I pick. So until the market comes to that stage. So this is my open order. I've opened an order. As you can see here, this is my entry price. Here's my entry price. As you can see, this is my entry price. This is my entry price of $631. Here is the mark price of $631.4, and here is the liquidation price. because I decided to use 10 times leverage. When I use 3 times leverage or 5 times leverage, even there's 2 times leverage, when I use 2 times leverage, this my liquidation price will be around my liquidation price will be around maybe $100 or $150 or so. So you have the ability, and when I use 2 times leverage, that means I can be able to place trade with the initial $6.3 times 2, which is $12. That means I can be able to borrow $12 and place trade. The profit I will see is there's a big difference. There's a huge clarification between it and $60. So I have the ability to make good profit using higher leverage, whereas my liquidation price will be close, will be near. In using small leverage, you have the ability you will just make a little profit, but your liquidation price will be low. I hope you get that scenario. It is a simple scenario. So this is my position. Now let me just close this position because I just use it as a typical example. So you can as well set stop limit, stop profit. I'm still coming to that. I think in my next lesson I will explain more features. You can set stop profit. You can set it for long and you can set for short. Let me just set stop here. If I decide, you can use it to take profit, and you can use it to control markets. That if the market wanted to be improving, the market should set down your BNB for you at $595. So you just set it at your preferred price. I hope you can see it here, 595. I hope you can see it. That means if the market wanted to be coming down, I will lose $3 when the market BNB come to 595. And you can as well set, I can click on confirm. And I click on confirm here, confirm sell. As you can see here, it has come to my open order. So it won't come to that stage until market comes to this $595. It's like using stop limit order in spot trading. So your money will not be liquidated. I wonder why a lot of traders got liquidated, because they don't set stop limits. So I can use it to take profit, stop profit or loss. I can use it to take profit at maybe if the market wants it to be going up, or market should sell it at $700 for me. So if the market reaches $700, I will just gain $6.19 as a gain here. I'll just have $6.19 as a gain here. You can as well set it. So if the market touches that $700, the position will be automatically close for you. Confirm sell. So it will come to open order here. As you can see. So this is just how to set stop profits. It does using in leverage trading. So this position that I open, let me quickly close this position. The position I open, I'm seeing profit of 2 points plus 2.1. If I'm in loss, as in the GRT here, I want to use this one as a typical example too, because I just use a small money here to leverage it. Let me decide to close this position. Close position. You can click on close position. As you can see, the system will automatically close the position for me. Close position. My network is rather poor here. Confirm. So click on confirm. So I automatically close the position with slightly profit, so my balance will be updated now. The balance ought to be updated. So as you can see, my network is rather poor here. So I've closed this position. My balance will be updated now. Why is my balance not updated? So the same thing applicable to when you are going short also. So I've explained how to go long. In tomorrow broadcast, I will explain how to go short with some additional features in future trading. So this is just how to go long. The same process all through is going long and going short. I will explain that tomorrow with additional features. So a lot of additional features future that we use in future trading.